Hello everybody, this is Nev from Tsaishen Crypto House, and today we're going to learn how to access the website as well as MetaMask from your mobile. So you're going to go and visit Tsaishen Crypto House, put it in your URL, and if you don't have a MetaMask, well, the pop-up will come up. Simply go to metamask.io, click on download, and you will have an option between iOS, Android, and Chrome. I'm using iOS, so I'm going to go there and it's going to take me into the App Store. Now previously I downloaded it, but you will click it right away. I am just re-downloading it, opening it up, and next thing you need to do is just obviously take a look around at what it has. But you will have a few different options of how to import it. Start a new one, use a seed, or connect with your desktop, which is what I am going to use since I already have one. So clicking on that, it gives you all of the information of what you have to do on your computer. Once you're ready, scan the code, don't show it to anybody else, and give it a moment, and there you go. You have a wallet, MetaMask wallet, in your mobile phone. Simply agree to things, and now you're in it. You're in your account. We're using Rinkeby for this one. We're going to go into the browser section, and right there we're going to put in the name of the website yet again, which is Tsaishen Crypto House. Simply connect, and you're in. Now you can sign in and join us officially and be able to take a look at the properties that are available for sale, be able to put in your own property for sale, contact the sellers, do the contracts, do the escrow, and really be able to utilize the website not just on your desktop, but also be able to utilize it on your mobile phone. So there you go. It's that simple. If you want, there's a hot link as well that can get you in much faster if you already have a MetaMask installed on your phone. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned a lot, and see you around.